Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to master the art of cooking simple pasta. The first crucial step is selecting the right pot. A large one ensures your pasta has ample space to move freely. For every 1 pound of pasta, you will need about 4 to 6 quarts of water. Don't forget to season your water generously with approximately 1 tablespoon of salt per quart. This step is vital for flavoring the pasta from the inside out, making a huge difference in the final taste. Once your water is perfectly salted, bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. This ensures the pasta cooks evenly. Carefully add your pasta to the boiling water and stir it immediately. This prevents the strands or shapes from sticking together. Cook the pasta according to the package directions, aiming for an al dente texture. This means it should be firm to the bite, offering a slight resistance rather than being soft or mushy. This texture is key for delicious pasta. As your pasta approaches al dente, remember a crucial step. Reserve about 1 cup of that starchy cooking water before draining. This liquid is a secret weapon for your sauce. Next, drain the pasta quickly using a colander. It is very important not to rinse the cooked pasta with cold water. Rinsing washes away the natural starches on the pasta's surface, which are essential for helping your delicious sauce cling beautifully to every single piece. Preserve that starch. Now for the grand finale. Add your freshly drained pasta directly into your warm sauce. This allows the pasta to absorb the flavors of the sauce. Toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring every strand or shape is beautifully coated. If your sauce seems too thick, gradually add a little of that reserved pasta water to achieve the perfect consistency. The starch in the water will help emulsify the sauce. Serve your perfectly cooked simple pasta immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.